All right, last day of the week, and it's been a pretty intense week. So let me show it to you. All right, as usual, we are here trading live. Bring this to the side. All right, here we go. So very intense week, as you all can see. Yesterday's session was insane. Nasdaq, I think, dropped 2.75 points, almost 3 points. Is a lot, as you can see here. So opening range right here, this support was holding, and then boom, it broke here. Big impulse to the downside, losing 2 points. 2 percentage points. And then this morning, opening pretty much flat. We had a bit of a positive impulse, but now we are curling back. So yes, I think today, guys, we're not gonna take any trade, but it's gonna be pretty educational and pretty useful for learning a lot of new stuff. So let's just stay tuned and let's see what the market offers. So today's plan was I was more for taking maybe a long, because a lot of volumes last session developed on these last candles, as you can see here from the profile. So this was pretty interesting to try to catch a bounce of this, right? But as you can see, the market also felt that resistance area here. Now we're curling back into that. So yeah, that could be a good trade to take along off of that. But what I don't like about this is today's gap. So my strategy actually works with volatility and with overnight movements and pre-market movements. So today, as you can see right here, we're opening with actually there's 2 minutes left to open, but we're opening with a 5 points-ish positive gap. It means basically flat. So my strategy says that I will only trade if market opens with more than plus 0.2% gap. This is a thumb rule. If this doesn't happen, I don't trade, because I saw with my data that I have the more win rate when there's a big gap on the markets, and not when there's not. So yeah. All right, so market is about to open. Let's see what's gonna happen. I'm just gonna look what happens and see if my strategy would have worked or not. I'm gonna tell you if I would have entered the trade or not, but I'm not gonna actually take it. So right now we are dumping off. Let's take this a bit smaller. All right, here we are, 8 seconds left. Big rejection here. Look at the volatility here today. Price is moving quick. That's really interesting. So big negative cumulative delta, already 2.5k negative. But as you can see, we are flat on the day, so that's why I'm not trading. I don't like to see that, because usually when that happens, market starts arranging a lot, and you end up getting stuck here, taking trades all over the place, and bleeding your account. So you don't want to do that. You want to stick to your rules. That's the more important thing in trading. It's sticking to the rules and not making dumb decisions. So this candle really interesting, as you can see. Went from negative delta to now positive. So this thing might actually reverse here. Let's see. Let's bring it up. All right. So this is very interesting. A lot of buying on these candles, as you can see. But market still dumping lower. and the delta was also positive here. And look at that, selling aggression. Yeah. So that long off of the volume profile zone, it's not working out right now. And it looks like sellers are very predominant today. Look at this. This candle is crazy. Oh my god, it's getting out of the screen. Yep, dropping a lot. All right. Now pulling back. You see, this is why I don't trade in days like this. Look at the footprint chart. How weird this is. So very small volumes, and then all of a sudden, boom, big blocks of orders right here, right here. Yeah, just so confusing, and that, yeah, you don't want to take trades into that. Look at that. That's crazy. This could have been a nice short continuation on this pullback right here, getting in short for the short continuation. That was a pretty good trade, but look at these 1,500 orders got in here. It's probably what a stop order. Yeah, very interesting. So this could have been great, actually. Could have been a good trade. So, you know, you open positive delta, but the candle still drops. That means buyers are buying, but sellers are selling more. Then there's this huge negative candle, 2,400 negative delta, sweeping through the lows. Then you have the pullback on the high volume area. You take your short, stop loss around here, and you set your TP down here, and that would have hit instantly with selling imbalances. That was a good trade take. Absolutely a good trade. But yeah, as I said, I don't trade in these conditions, but that was very good. Look at this, the selling is insane. Look how many selling imbalances here, here. The price keeps dropping. It's a falling knife. But you saw this candle right here, this one, how quick it reversed and how quick it went down. Like that speed is not predictable. I mean, you can really get hard. You can really hurt yourself with that speed. It's pretty insane. So you don't want to be caught off guard with a candle like that. I mean, the delta, let me see, the cumulative delta on the day is minus 10,000. That's huge. This candle, I didn't see it, minus 5,000 delta. That's insane. Now we're pulling back. Look at the speed. Look at the speed and the size of the candle. This went from 5,859 up 10 points. One candle, 10 points. Look at the buying imbalances right here. This is crazy. That's why you don't want to trade in days like this. Look at this candle. 15 points candle. And we are on a 1 minute time frame. So this candle, actually volumes are developing on this higher side. So you could try to take a short here, probably. Stop loss here. TP probably down here. It's a bit risky, but you could try it. Yeah, look at that. That would have ended up in a stop. Another tranche of buying imbalances. I mean, that's why you don't want to trade in days like this. Yeah, I think I made a good choice today to stay out of the markets. And that, today's session, we didn't take any trades, but it gave me a lot of confidence in my strategy. That's also very important, because if I would have traded today, I would have get hard probably. Either I would have took this trade right here and made a good banger right off the bat, but if I wouldn't take that, maybe I would have got in short here and got stopped out by this huge candle right here. And yeah, that wasn't great. So yes, market pretty volatile. Look at that. Now it's shooting up. All that selling pressure, exhausted. Now we're shooting up. Shooting up like crazy. I mean, the candles can't even fit in my screen. They're huge. And look at this swing from 82 to 76, 7 points candle like that. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you want me to show you my whole strategy, I'm gonna do a video only for that. I have kind of like a mental map, and I mean a screen that I can show you and walk you through my strategy piece by piece, and making together all the pieces and coming out with a final strategy and a final edge. So if you're interested into that, tell me, let me know down in the comments, and I'm gonna make the video. Yo guys, see you in the next one. Bye.